Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Today's chef's going to show us how to make a sausage and hash breakfast. Oh, it is delicious. Single serving today. We're going to have some fun with our smaller cast iron skillets. So let's go ahead and get cooking. So again, chef's going to use his single serving cast iron skillet. If you don't have one, pick one up. They have many uses. Put it on the stove, medium-high heat, and add a little bit of oil, just enough to really cover the pan. Looks like chef is videoing and cooking. Boy, he does it all. So chef now has some sausage that he cooked up and sliced up. He didn't show that. It's kind of self-explanatory. Moving on. Next up, chef picked up some hash browns, put some peppers and onions and the sausage in there. He did get these from the store. They're in a bag. He said if you want to make them from scratch, chopping up your own potatoes, that's okay. He just wanted to kind of make it a little easier. So the pan is nice and hot. Be very careful. Add your ingredients in and let them sit for several minutes. You're going to want these to cook for a while. Oh, listen to that sizzle. That's so sexy. Okay, so it's been several minutes. Chef's going to add a little bit more oil to keep things loose, and you don't want things sticking. And then he's just going to slowly stir it around. When you put your spoon in, you can kind of feel if it's starting to cook. If it's still a little soft, just give it some more time. But everything on the bottom should start to brown. Alright, with just several minutes left to go, chef's going to get a over easy egg going. If you don't know how to cook one of these, we're going to have a video at the end for you to watch. And again, now he's just going to add some seasoning since we're almost finishing up. A little bit of salt and pepper, but feel free to add what you want. Don't forget the ingredients will be down below, everybody. So with everything nice and cooked up, chef's just going to slide that egg right on top. And then he's going to go ahead and add some avocado slices. Add some color, a little of that healthy fat. Nice hearty breakfast right there. And then he just seasoned the egg on top. So that's pretty much it, everybody. Nice hearty, fills you up. Single serving. You can always make it in a larger skillet if you want. But let's just say your date from the night before had an early meeting and they skipped out. Well, then forget it. Make yourself some breakfast. Screw them. Or you already did. Okay, folks, we hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the how to cook an egg. We're going to put that up. That should be coming up soon. Check out our last video. And don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.